Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable smart reply for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up your text messages. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, select Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Suggestions. Next, tap on Smart Reply. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, once it is turned on, when you receive a text, if the Messages app know what is in the text, it will offer you some reply that you can use. So, for example, sounds great, or thanks, or good, depending on what the previous text is about. It will use some smart artificial intelligence to analyze the text, and it will offer you an automatic response. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Messages window, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.